Shut up the desert eagle, fly up that extra lethal. I mean that, ooh, we here with 2G. I'm back with a new tree. I got that new sleeve, while y'all was just rapping. We get the set cracking, check out the neck snapping. Let's get this neck flapping. What's that in Def Jam? Remember math man? I make a man through the middle, now it's left man. That's why I still love you, and Russell still hustle. Let's get the pumping iron, and put some real muscle. I put this bitch through, I put this bitch through, and I ain't got the ivory. This is a flick through.